welcome to the official launch of WICCI Maharashtra Mental Health Council. I'm very happy and excited to share with all of you messages from our council members. However, before that, let's listen to Dr. Harbeen, our founder.
Namaste everyone, I'm Harbeen and I'm here to congratulate my soul sisters at the various mental health councils of the Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, working tirelessly across the states with the council presidents, vice presidents and council members to together enable fostering of an ecosystem that takes care of mental health issues. As we now know that mental health is something that we all suffer from at some point in our lives, and we need an ecosystem where we feel it's easy and without any stigma to go ask for help. And our sisters in these various councils who are so passionate about this field and are approaching it from various holistic aspects are absolutely dedicated to fostering an ecosystem where we have mental health professionals, we have standardization of mental health professionals, and we have licensing as well, so that world over and of course all parts in India, women, youth, people can easily reach out to people for help. Today on World Mental Health Day, I congratulate you all for this wonderful initiative that all of you have taken together, and I hope we see much more of it happening across the country, across the world.
So after such a wonderful message for all the council members and encouraging words from Dr. Harbeen, let me tell you what WICCI Maharashtra Mental Health Chapter is all about. We are a group of women who come from different parts of life. Some are doctors, psychiatrists, psychologists, homeopaths. We also have a blogger, actor. We all have come together to promote mental health. I am the president of the council, Maharashtra Council. My name is Rachna Avatramani and I'm a counseling psychologist as well. So mental health is important, you know that. Therefore, we are bringing a team of people who are going to promote mental health, who are going to train mental health professionals, and also going to support organizations who are working in regulating the mental health body. So let's hear from our Vice President Namrata Jain, and also followed by there are amazing messages from our council members. And before I sign off, let me wish you Happy World Mental Health Day.
Hello everyone, this is Namrata Jain, a psychologist, TEDx speaker and the founder of Out Aloud. I'm also the Vice President of the Mental Health Council of Maharashtra at WICCI. And I'm here to talk to you a little bit about me, my work, and also what we intend to do at WICCI. So I've been practicing a lot with corporate organizations, with adults, and also as a relationship counselor. And at WICCI, we intend to do three important things. One is to help train professionals in the mental health space in a more standardized manner. So we intend to come up with different programs where we can do a lot of training for mental health professionals to make sure that we strengthen the community more and more. So second, we intend to have a lot of programs that would be for empowering women in business. So especially mental health professionals, I think most of us haven't been trained in terms of how to do business in the space of mental health, and also how to become better entrepreneurs. So a lot of training on those lines. And the third and one of the most important things I think all mental health professionals will agree with me is on having a licensing procedure for psychologists, especially in India. I think that is a need of the hour, and we have multiple organizations working towards this. As WICCI Mental Health Council, we intend to support these organizations who are already working in, because we are a team of 20 professionals, all mental health advocates who wish to make a difference to people's lives through this. So we look forward to a fruitful year and to do a lot of work around this. We look forward to all your support as well. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Manjari Deshpande Shenoy. I'm a psychiatrist. I head a chain of child guidance clinics under the name of Inlash Child Guidance Clinics. We have multiple centers across the country and we deal mostly with mental health of children, adolescents and young adults at our clinic. What is mental health? Mental health, I think, is one of the most important facets for living a healthy and a happy life. It's not just absence of any illness, but also the presence of mental wellness. When I say mental wellness, many people ask me what exactly is mental wellness. To me, mental wellness is living a life where you are able to realize your own dreams, fulfill your own potential, deal with everyday stressors with relative ease, and also have long-lasting happy relationships with yourself and also with others. I think that's the definition of mental wellness. So on the occasion of World Mental Health Day, I would like to wish for mental wellness for all of us, and yes, we are all there to help you in times of need. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Anupa Mehta. I'm a narrative therapist based in Mumbai. Narrative therapy is a form of psychotherapy that holds people are experts of their lives. I'm proud to be a member of WICCI, and this month we hope to bring you several programs around mental health awareness. Stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Rumpa Sarkar. By profession, I'm a clinical psychologist and a psychotherapist based in Mumbai and practicing for more than 10 years. I'm also a co-founder of a psychological firm called Sentier Mind. We all know that brain is an important part of our body, right? But unfortunately, taking care of our brain is not much talked about in our society. Mental health, which is about how we think, how we feel, and how we react or how we behave, is associated with our brain functioning. And to stay healthy, you do not just have to take care of your physical health, but also your mental health. After all, our mind and body are connected with each other. So next time when you think about your health, give few seconds to think about your mental health as well. Bye-bye.
Hello friends. One small crack doesn't mean that you're broken. It means you were put to the test and you didn't fall apart. Keeping this thought in mind, this is Surabhi Pranav, presently working with JD College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur, as Dean Capacity Building. I'm a mental health professional with 15 years of experience. I'm a government certified counseling psychologist and a leading psychotherapist of Nagpur, primarily focusing on mental health issues and concerns of adolescence and adulthood. My areas of interest is in therapeutic interventions in cognitive domain and working towards metacognitive skills in today's youth. I've developed effective remedial models for holistic development too. I'm a staunch believer of value-based education. I've been associated with NCERT New Delhi and Manodarpan, the initiative of Ministry of Education towards mental health. I'm the member of American Psychological Association, International Association of Holistic Psychology, Bharatiya Counseling Psychology Association, and many more. Precisely, I'm trying to give my little share towards mental health, and I'm glad that I'm learning a lot in this journey. Friends, always remember, mental health is not a destination but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you are going. चलो, साथ मिलके खुद को पहचाने.
Hi, my name is Naina Sindhania and I have been practicing as a health coach for the past 7 years. I work in the field of disease and weight management where I combine the two aspects, diet and lifestyle, in order to improve the health of an individual. One of the most oldest of sciences, which is Ayurveda, describes itself as a balance of mind, body and soul in order to attain Chitta Vritti Nirodha. And this very description has now become a definition of health worldwide. Having said that, we can also not overlook the fact that diet and mental health go hand in hand. In fact, food and diet has been used effectively in order to cure a lot of mental diseases. This Mental Health Day, I only hope that we as health professionals do not specifically look at any kind of condition as one certain problem, but we are actually able to combine all these issues together and address it holistically.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sayyeda Rukshida. I'm a psychiatrist and I'm based here in Lokhandwala, Mumbai. I believe there's no health without mental health, and investing in our mental health is going to make our today and tomorrow richer.
A very good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Prabha Acharya from Global Homeopathy, have been practicing homeopathy for the last 30 years. As part of our regular treatment, knowing the mind of every patient is of utmost importance as knowing the body and diseases, as mind impacts body in bigger ways than we know and becomes the main reason for diseases. Apart from this, with changing times, increased stress, increasing peer pressure, competitions, social media hazards and other factors, they have taken a toll on many lives. You may have anxiety, depression or any other mental ailment, but remember, it's at different levels that different people are all suffering from the same. With more and more awareness and platforms like WICCI Mental Health, people are becoming more and more aware and is no more a taboo to speak about one's mental health. Let's all unite together, stand together and make this world a better place, not just today but forever. Thank you so much and a great salute to WICCI Mental Health. Let's make this world a better place and a happy place. This was Dr. Prabha Acharya from Global Homeopathy.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Malapur Jaswal. I'm a blogger, content writer and a poetess. I believe mental health is extremely important for me and my contribution that I want to make towards the society. Without a healthy mind, you cannot have a healthy body. It's the coordination between the two that's extremely important. 20 years back, I was diagnosed with schizoaffective disorder. What I've learned in these 20 years is that therapy, medication, alternate therapy, that is yoga, meditation, all these things together help combat my challenge. Today, even I still go through challenges, but I know how to cope with them. So, I need to focus on both my body and my mind. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Thakran and I'm a mental health advocate, a social activist and an engineering graduate. I am currently based in Bangalore and I am working with Your Dost as a marketing executive. I am also a certified QPR instructor trainer. Well, I think the biggest reason why mental health is such a huge taboo even now is because when someone has diabetes or cancer, we don't blame them. They don't blame themselves. They just have it, right? And they seek proper treatment for it and try to get better. But when it comes to mental illnesses, there is this huge idea of flawness attached to it. You know, we think that the person who has or who is battling these issues is the one at fault here. And it's almost as if there is a flaw in their character. I think this thinking really needs to change. Mental health is just as important as physical health. In fact, it baffles me when people try to draw a difference between the two. So I think it's really important for us to come out and have better conversations and create space for such conversations. And I'm really hoping that with this council and as part of this council, I'm able to do just that. I have myself struggled with mental health issues and I reached out for help. So to anyone out there who might be struggling right now, I just want to say that you're not alone and it's okay to not be okay. Please reach out and we are here.
Hi, my name is Tejal Shah. I'm an industrial and organizational psychologist working for past 10 years in the field of corporate and education. Currently, I am working in SP Jain School of Global Management as a faculty associate for Global Family Business Program. With regards to mental health, and awareness, my major area of concern is workplace mental illness, organizational role stress, anxiety, and depression. I make sure that I help people in coping with stress and anxiety and come out of depression.
Hello, this is Kajal Makwana, counseling psychologist, cure for mental therapist, founder of The Giraffe Space, wherein we provide mental health services, founder member of Volunteer for India initiative, and expert at the Listening Circle. Today, on World Mental Health Day, I would like to say that though health is wealth, but the fact is there is no health without mental health. I would encourage everybody to visit a mental health professional to ensure your overall well-being. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Bhakti. I'm born and brought up from Belgaum, which is a place in Karnataka. Now a resident of Pune, Maharashtra since almost 9 years. By profession, I'm an industrial and production engineer, and I'm currently serving as program manager at SKF India Limited. I'm associated with Rachna for a quite long time, and also the WICCI for a few weeks now. The importance of mental health, which we miss, is what we are trying to focus on and create awareness. In general, if we say, we often get our body scan checks done in a yearly manner to know how our body is doing, but we seldom inspect our mental health. We rarely introspect to understand the pattern, the fluctuations of our emotional, psychological, and social well-being until it starts really affecting our physical health, that we'll have to go to the doctor. For sure, it is very true that a healthy mind breeds a healthy body, and vice versa. And like WHO says, mental health is more than the absence of mental disorder, and it is an integral part of our health. Indeed, it is. There's no health without mental health. And in the recent days, the focus on mental health has surged up, and with the team of the Super 21, which we call ourselves through WICCI, we intend to create awareness about importance of mental health, what it actually means to be mentally healthy, and if we have any challenges, how to tackle it in a simple, systematic way. So looking forward to your interest in the work of our team that will carry out. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Saloni Khanna, and I'm an actor and model by profession. I'm also a classical dancer and singer, and I'm a student of psychodrama and music therapy. I'm extremely glad to be a part of WICCI, Maharashtra's mental health chapter. I think what we are aimed at doing is extremely important in today's day and age. Mental health is very, very relevant, and it is something which is not understood fully and not talked about enough. And I feel through WICCI, we're trying to bring about that change, and I'm sure that we will be able to do that. When I think about mental health, I have been a victim too, in the sense that I was suffering from anxiety and stress a couple of years back, and because of which I had developed an ulcer in my stomach, and I was miserable. But I didn't know that the ulcer was caused due to my anxiety and stress. I always thought it was a physical ailment, and I treated it like that, but it wouldn't go away. It did not go away till I discovered the actual root cause of it, which was my anxiety and stress, and I started treating that. And when I treated my anxiety is when my ulcer disappeared. And that's when it hit me that this was not even something that would have occurred to me had I not met somebody who brought it to my notice. That a mental health problem could also result in a physical ailment. We just don't understand that. And I feel that it's very important that we do. We live in a day and age where everybody's running, everybody is stressed, everybody is aimed at achieving more. People don't sleep properly, don't eat properly, and it's very important that we start talking about mental health, we start spreading awareness about it, and we start acknowledging it. And that's what I hope we achieve through WICCI. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rita Kerr, a practicing psychologist. As a mental health professional, I would like to send a message to everybody that your mental health is as important as your physical health. Remember, without good mental health, you can't even enjoy your physical health properly. Moreover, with good mental health, you can be more productive in your life, you can cope better with life situations, and most importantly, you can be a happier person and enjoy your life better. So do take care of your mental health. I wish everybody good mental health, and if you're going through any problem, please, before it is too late, reach out to a mental health professional. Take care.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Akshari Anchan and I am an aesthetic physician. I'd like to use this opportunity to say that whenever a patient walks into my practice, I like to understand the aesthetic goals of the patient. What is it that the patient wants to achieve? And what I've come to realize in the past couple of years that I'm practicing is that one of the key factors determining what the patient is going to ask for is how mentally stable that individual is. So it is extremely important to take care of the mental health along with the aesthetic and the well-being of the body, etc. It's extremely important to take care of the mind. As we've all commonly heard, people say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and in this context, that eye is dictated by mental well-being. Therefore, I'd like to conclude by saying mental health is got to be your top priority for anything that you do in life. Cheers.
Hey everyone, I am Neha Karya Modi, a mental health practitioner since 13 years. Today I am here just to give you some tips on why mental health is important. So first, mental health is like a mind, okay? It's like a driver of our physical body. So you must have observed that whenever you feel sad, our body will respond by being lazy or lethargic. And whenever we feel happy, whenever our mind feels happy, automatically our body will reciprocate by being more active. So to feel holistically fit, mental health is the key first. And how do you do that? So first, go for a walk. When you feel little sad, go for a walk, listen to music, talk to a friend, call up and just talk to somebody. Third, celebrate small little successes that are happening around you. Then keep a habit of writing the journal. Every day write 5 things that you are grateful for, and know, very important one thing, that people are there to help you. Seek professional help or speak to people. You are not and never alone. So take care, and please give importance to mental health. It's more important than your physical health. Okay? See you soon.
Hi, my name is Yesha Mehta. I'm an aspiring psychologist, currently pursuing my master's in psychology. I'm also a PR and marketing consultant, having a master's in entertainment, media and advertising. I am extremely honored to be a part of WICCI and very excited to make the change with this team. Thank you.